we have seen in the last 1.5 year, especially, there is a huge cultural change has happened in people's mind and in their lifestyle too. So how these outside forces and trends, like, I mean, people have drastically moved from the offline space to the digital space. So how these outside forces and trends are impacting your segments today, Mr. Chandni?
So there are a few ways to look at it, right? So first is of course the point you made that uh, the digital adoption, right? That has
Yeah.
definitely increased, and we are seeing it. I mean, we are seeing that our digital sourcing has gone up several times. The being an NBFC, our digital collections have gone up several times. So
Right.
definitely there are several categories or segments of customers who have adopted digital in last 1.5 year. Maybe they would have adopted it 3.5 years, 5 years later, right? So the
Yes.
process was already on. It has just catalyzed or speeded that process up. So one obvious change is that digital adoption has increased, right? So that I feel is an organic thing for any marketer. We were already on that journey. So one has to focus now on improving the UI UX of your digital assets, improving customer experience. Because what happens is the people who were on digital earlier were largely those who were, let's call, digital natives, right? They were using digital channels with other brands also in past, and therefore they are used to what is happening in your app, your website. So they don't need much of a hand holding. They are using these assets very intuitively, very naturally. But the people who have adopted digital recently, right, they are neo digital people. For them you have to ensure that you kind of your UI, your UX is suitable to them. The journeys are simpler for them. So for example, a lot of people who have adopted digital now are not necessarily very well versed with English language. So you have to focus on certain things like what I call 3 V's, right? So you have to go vernacular, right? So like in last 1 year, our company's app, we have started providing it in 6 regional languages apart from English, right? You have to have voice features, right? So most of our IVRs and voice bots are now playing a very big role for consumer to reach out to us, or vice versa, right? So we are using voice big time. Similarly, visual content, right? Your most of the UIs have to be more visual, right? So how do you define your user interfaces? I think for neo digitals, these things are very important. So that is one key shift I am seeing. And not only our brand. If you look at any of the marquee brands in India, most of them have done this kind of journey. Vernacular, using visual or video content, and also ensuring that voice is playing a bigger role in the set. Now, taking this digital part out, right, that anyways was happening and it just speeded up. There are some other cultural changes, right? So for example, for the categories like finance, where the products are not very differentiated, right? So why should customer buy from you?
Hmm. Right.
Right, the product is same. So therefore customer experience, right, it becomes very important. And I think that's a huge cultural shift in marketing, that the role of customer experience is increasing, right, for marketeers, right? That if you don't give them good experience at physical as well as digital touch points, and your product is not differentiated, right? Like a financial services, like all insurances, all mutual funds almost sound similar, right? When you look at pure product play, the functional
Right.
benefits are not very differentiated. So the two cultural aspects which are very important there is, one, that you give them good customer experience. Second, what is the purpose of the company, right? The millennials and the youngsters really want to know what the brand stands for. What are the causes which this brand espouses, right? So you need to have that kind of communication, as well as a visible marker that you stand for something, you care about your brand values, and you are willing to give customer the best experience possible. I think that is one of the changes which I see have become more important and more obvious. Then yes, there is something which also is happening in India right now, which is cancel culture, right? That if you are seen on the wrong side of any particular customer segment or group, though it is not impacted our industry much, but very consumer oriented apps like food delivery apps, or streaming apps have seen recently that if you are not aligning to some particular segment's value system, political beliefs, ideologies, you can face a cancel culture. And that makes marketeers little wary, right? How do you communicate? What you have to be sensitive to a lot of groups. So this is something which is again something which marketeers will have to take care of going forward.